In a serene and peaceful pond, lived a humble mosquito named Midge. Midge was content with his tiny corner of the water. But one day, he felt a restless urge to explore. He ventured beyond his usual territory, sipping nectar from unfamiliar flowers, and found himself in a larger pond teeming with life. At first, Midge was excited by the new sights. But soon he realized that this new home was not as peaceful as his old one. Fish darted around him, dragonflies buzzed angrily, and the other mosquitoes were fierce and competitive. Midge missed the tranquility of his former home. But he didn't want to return empty-handed. He decided to try and find a way to make this new pond his own. Midge worked hard to adapt to his new surroundings, learning to fly faster, dive deeper, and hide more skillfully. He even discovered a secret grove where he could rest in peace. One day, a wise old dragonfly named Dart saw Midge's struggle and offered him a word of advice: expansion is not always the answer, Midge. Contentment comes from finding balance and peace within yourself. Midge listened to Dart's words and slowly realized the truth. He returned to his tiny corner of the original pond, accepting that sometimes less is more, and true happiness lies in contentment. From then on, Midge lived a simple, yet fulfilling life, remembering the lesson of balance and the importance of peace. And whenever he felt the restless urge to explore, he would take a moment to remember Dart's wisdom and stay put. Moral *: expansion may seem appealing, but sometimes, finding peace and contentment in what we already have is more valuable.